This video will demonstrate how to use an eGlobal to create a byline. Let's say our first attorney's name is Mr. Matthews, so I'm going to use an M and an asterisk, although you can use any symbol that you like, but do put in a symbol. Then I mark the text and eGlobal it, and be sure you have your cap lock key on as by Mr. Matthews, colon. Thereafter, every time I type M asterisk by Mr. Matthews will be inserted. Let's do it one more time. How about Mr. Redding? Now I'm going to mark the text eGlobal. Make sure my cap lock is on by Mr. Redding, colon, enter. Every time thereafter, then I type R asterisk by Mr. Redding will be inserted. This is a very easy way of creating bylines. There are others you can use, but this is just one I wanted you to be familiar with.